guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're gonna make this sunset makeup look using orange and violet eyeshadow from Color Fusion palette. So we're gonna start off using this EB Advanced BB cream in the shade Natural. Then we're gonna spread it all over our face. For our concealer, I'm using this Beauty Glaze Perfect Silky Concealer. And just put it under my eyes. And then get your beauty sponge and blend it all out. So ayan na, antok-antok pa tayo mga Mars kasi sobrang aga kong nag-makeup. Inom muna tayo tubig. And ngumiti kahit na nahihirapan. Ayan, tamang hikab lang. So back to our makeup. I'm using this Johnson's baby powder for baking our face. So for our brows, I'm using this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown. Feeling beauty guru lang tayo. Try ko mag-focus yung cam pero ayaw. Kasi nga front cam lang gamit ko ng phone ko. Huwag na nga. Next step is I'm putting Johnson's baby powder on my lids just to mattify it and just to prep it for the eyeshadows to blend it well. Next is I'm putting this light indigo on my crease. Next is I put this dark indigo shade just above my lid near the crease and just blending it all. Next is I'm gonna use this Beauty Glaze Perfect Concealer again to cut my crease. First, let me put this pink eyeshadow just to soften this dark indigo and just blend it. Okay, so now let's cut the crease. Just put the concealer and draw an arc on your lid para mamaya mas makita, mas matingkad yung lalagay nating orange and yellow eyeshadow. So now that we're done with the concealer, we'll just put a dark indigo and just clean the edges. After that, we're gonna use this yellow eyeshadow and just pat it on our lid. Make it bright. And then put the orange eyeshadow just outside your crease. And blend it all. Get a smaller brush just to clean the edges and get in all those areas. Let me just do this on the other eye and then I'll be back. So moving on to the eyeliner part, we're just gonna draw a thin eyeliner just to cover where the eyelashes will be placed onto later on. You don't need to wing this one, just leave it like that. Get your mascara. I'm using this Volume Curl from EB Advanced. And just put your mascara on. To save time while putting your mascara on, you'll need to let your eyelash glue on your false eyelashes to dry. for contouring, you'll need to brush yung mga brunette nyo kanina. Just brush it all out, and then I'm using this contour palette from Nichido and just contour my cheeks with it. Also on my jaw to give that illusion that I have a smaller face. Also on your forehead to make your forehead appear smaller. Then get your falsies and glue it on your real lashes. The next is get your blush on. I'm using this Ashley blush on, and just brush it on your temples. Don't go over past your eye, just on the cheeks. Also get it on your nose. Then get your bronzing powder. I'm using this Nichido bronzing powder and just putting it on my cheeks and on my forehead. And then get your highlighter. I'm using this EB Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Spotlight. Next is get your lip liner. I'm using this Ashley lip liner. And overline your lips. That's what I do. If you don't like to overline your lips, then don't do this part. Just go to your usual lipstick routine. After that, get your liquid lipstick in nude shade and just blend it with your lip liner. And then apply a darker lipstick on top of it.